Hi everybody and welcome back. Today I'm doing strawberry makeup, but my way, like my version. I'm not a minimalist makeup girly. I mean, I can be sometimes, but when I think of strawberry makeup, like this is what I think of, and I think it's so pretty. So this is just the eyeshadow tutorial. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. This is like a staple palette. You have to have this. I will have a separate short up showing you all of my face products, just so you guys know. So let's start off this strawberry eyeshadow look with golden ochre. This is clearly one of my favorite eyeshadows because I have hit pan on it and I barely have any left, but it is a really good blending shade for me. So I'm just putting that in the crease and in the outer V. You don't have to be precise with this at all. You can be super messy. And then I'm taking raw sienna. This is going to be a transition color, and again going in the crease and in the outer V, just going back and forth very lightly. And then this is where the fun happens. I took Venetian red and I'm just building this shade up, putting it in the outer V and in the crease, just going back and forth. And you just want to do however much you want. Like if you want it even brighter red, just keep on going. But I stopped. I feel like I did a good job, I think. I wanted the shimmer on my lids to be really like bright and out of control. So I took a little bit of concealer and just concealed the inner portion of my lid, both eyes, and then the shimmery shade that I'm putting on my lids today, which isn't my favorite shimmer in this palette, but it just worked with this look. It's called Vermeer, and I just took my finger, pressed it on with my finger, and then I just like to go in with a brush to kind of like be a little more detailed, so I just kind of packed it on. I got it right there in the crease, as you can see, and then of course, so it doesn't look weird, I blended that out and just going back and forth, just blend out. You know, you can never go wrong with blending, okay? So just blend, 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 and I'm doing the same thing to the other eye. I like the shade Primavera a little bit more. It's more on the champagne-y gold side, and this shimmer is like more pinky, frosty, but it went with the strawberry look, so I had to use it, you know? Going back in with my concealer, this is my favorite, as you guys know, the Too Faced Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer, and this is my favorite part because it just cleans everything up. Like, look how good my eyeshadow looks after I concealed and like sharpened up my eyeshadow edges. It looks so good. So anyway, after that, I am taking the shade Tempera, whatever, and I'm blending out the edge of my eyeshadow and then also taking it right underneath my eyebrow, so everything is so nice and blended. I love this step too. And then, as you can tell, or as you can see, I didn't set my under eyes yet. I do this step first, and then I go ahead and I set my under eyes. Today, of course, this is my favorite powder, guys. I just don't know what I'd do without it. It's the DERMA Blend Loose Setting Powder. It is so, so good. Now we're on to the lower lash line. So I took Venetian red, just lining the lower lash line, nothing crazy. And then I did take raw sienna, which is the second shade that I used. It was my transition color. And I just blended that out, the lower lash line, with raw sienna, nothing crazy. And then for lashes today, guys, I have been loving these Kiss lashes. They don't need glue. You don't need glue. You don't have to struggle for like an hour. You just put them right underneath your lash. It is weird at first, but then you get used to it, and look how good my lashes look. Like, honestly, you don't see anything weird on top. Everything's on the bottom. They're not uncomfortable. They look like either my real lashes or like lash extensions. So I love this look. This is, when I think of strawberry makeup, like this is what I think of. So I want to know what you guys think. I love it. Let me know your thoughts down below. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.